Hey there. Welcome. Do you struggle to keep your notes, your ideas, your workflows organized and accessible on multiple devices? If you said yes to that, you're in the right place. You're invited to join me on a journey of the Evernote Simplified series that's coming. You see, several years back, I didn't know or appreciate the productivity boost that I would get having one central information hub. And then in 2008, Evernote entered my consciousness. After I installed it on a BlackBerry, I started documenting ideas and information as I walked around. I was floored. What a difference. When I would get back to my computer, the information was there waiting for me. You see, I still have a picture of a CEO that I was meeting with shortly after installing Evernote, and I can go and pull it up to this day from 2008 because Evernote OCR'd the words on the t-shirt that he was wearing. And it's still kind of magical to me to this day that I can go back and find that note without breaking a sweat. The power in this app is so substantial. I capture my pictures, audio recordings, transcribed audio, web pages, PDFs, connect to Google Docs, bring in YouTube videos, and countless other files. And I even write in plain text on any device, and it still amazes me. So that gives me a level of confidence that when I capture my thoughts and put them in, they aren't lost. They'll be there. And I can pull up information on any of my computers from any web browser and on any phone or tablet that I use, and it makes me super efficient. So I don't have to wonder where's that idea? Where's that checklist? What workflow am I following? What's the link I'm looking for? Because it's in Evernote. So starting January 6th, I'll share Evernote Simplified with you. It's a series of videos to get you started using this powerful tool, from how to configure the tool to how to build workflows to how to collaborate with others. Evernote Simplified will be a resource for you to learn to use the tool as a all-in-one work management platform. You only need one or two things. You need a desire to get organized and gain some sanity back in your world, and you need an open mind to hear and follow along. By the way, this video is not sponsored by Bending Spoons, the owners of Evernote, nor am I an affiliate. I just simply use the program every day, and it just simply works for me. I wholeheartedly believe that more people should know about the power in this software, and that is what prompted me to put Evernote Simplified together. So, if you haven't subscribed, I'm going to encourage you to go ahead and subscribe and then turn on the notification bell so that you're alerted when these videos are released. Lastly, share your note taking and organization struggles in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, the algorithm is going to show it to you. I'll see you over there.